friends, hi, this is Ganesh Nayak. A lot of students preparing for CFA exam, they have a common question: what exactly is financial modeling? So today in this video, we're going to be going in detail about the financial modeling and what it is and how it can be done. The first thing that you need to understand is the meaning. Financial modeling is to combine the accounting, finance and the business metrics to make a good forecasting about the company's future results. Where exactly the financial models are used? It is generally used in raising capital, debt or equity, making acquisition about company or merging companies, growing the business organically like opening up a new store, entering into a new market, selling or divesting assets or business unit, budgeting and forecasting, very important activity into the company, and also into capital allocation of the company, deciding which project is important. Overall, it helps you to do the valuation of the company, look at the details about the financial statements, ratio analysis and what the management thinks about the company to understand the future projections about the company. What different types of softwares are used to create financial models? Excel has been the hands down the top most flexible tool that is available right now. As a user, you can customize the spreadsheet as per your need. There are other paid software also available, but they are slightly rigid and slightly specialized, and hence Excel is a widely used tool that is used in financial modeling. Who builds the financial models in a company? Generally, it's the associate or the analyst. A lot of companies, they have equity resource analysts, credit analysts, corporate development officers. They also create financial models in their day-to-day activity. What are the major steps that are there to create the financial models? A financial model actually crafts the forecast by analyzing the historical data, employing a lot of ratios and metrics, considering assumptions, and integrating additional analysis to come out with the valuation and the future projections. Okay, so these are the steps that they do to complete the overall financial modelings. Different types of financial models. Some of the popular models that are used by investment banking firms or risk analysts who are working in equity research roles and all, they use variety of models. Today we are going to be talking about a few of the famous models that are used in financial modeling. The first one, 3 statement models. In this, we try to create an interlinking between income statement, cash flow and balance sheet so that we can understand about the company's business and the cash flow detail and make some conclusive analysis of the same. Merger and acquisition model. It is widely used in investment banking space because we want to understand if there is going to be a merger, if there is going to be an acquisition, how it is going to impact the future of the company, understand the earning per share, the cash flow profitability. Again, this kind of models are different for different size of the companies. The third one, widely popular DCF model, discounted cash flow model. This takes into consideration what is the net present value of the overall cash flow that is going to be there, and you need to also take the discounting factor into consideration. The next model is LBO, leverage buyout model, primarily used when you are acquiring a company into a hostile takeover situation and you are taking huge leverage in the process. The next model, comparable company analysis model. It is most basic model like the similar model that we saw in the previous section. But over here, these models are different with respect to the company size, operations, number of employees. All you have to take into consideration while creating this. Overall, the next we are going to be talking about, is there a different course available in the market? So if you go online also, you'll find a lot of free courses, a lot of paid courses like Udemy, Coursera. These courses can help you to understand the basic nuance of financial modeling. But if you want to understand in depth, you have to do that activity day in and day out. And paid course can also help you to generate that understanding or knowledge. Overall, this is what financial modeling was all about. I hope you like this video. You get some insight on what is financial modeling and you can choose a career path into this or not. Do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing content.